Welcome to our channel today. We are going to talk about 11 proven health benefits of garlic. Garlic is one of the most popular and widely used spices in the world. It has been used for thousands of years for its culinary and medicinal purposes. But what are the health benefits of garlic and how can it improve your well-being? In this video, we will explore 11 proven health benefits of garlic that are backed by scientific evidence, and at the end we will explain some of the delicious garlic recipes. First, medicinal properties. Garlic contains compounds with potent medicinal properties, such as allicin, which is responsible for its strong smell and flavor. Allicin has antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory effects. It can also modulate the immune system and prevent oxidative stress. Second, low calorie. Garlic is highly nutritious but has very few calories. 1 clove of garlic, about 3 grams, provides 4 calories, 0.2 grams of protein, 0.9 grams of carbohydrates, 0.03 grams of fat, and 0.1 grams of fiber. It also contains trace amounts of various vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, B6, manganese, selenium, calcium, iron, and potassium. Third, boost immune system. Garlic can help protect against illness, including the common cold. A study found that taking a garlic supplement daily for 12 weeks reduced the number of colds by 63% compared to a placebo group. Another study showed that taking a high dose of aged garlic extract reduced the severity and duration of cold and flu symptoms by 61%. Fourth, lowers blood pressure. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure, which is one of the major risk factors for cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attack and stroke. A meta-analysis of 20 randomized controlled trials found that garlic supplementation significantly lowered systolic and diastolic blood pressure by an average of 8.4 mmHg and 7.3 mmHg, respectively. Fifth, lowers cholesterol. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease. A review of 39 studies found that garlic supplementation reduced total cholesterol by 17 mg/dl and LDL, bad cholesterol by 9 mg/dl on average, while having no significant effect on HDL, good cholesterol, or triglycerides. Sixth, reduce dementia risk. Garlic contains antioxidants that may help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia. These antioxidants protect the brain cells from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. A study in mice showed that aged garlic extract improved memory and cognitive function by enhancing neurogenesis, the growth of new brain cells, and reducing neurodegeneration, the death of brain cells. Seventh, extend life. Garlic may help you live longer by preventing or delaying chronic diseases, such as cardiovascular disease, cancer, diabetes, and infections. A large observational study in China found that people who ate garlic regularly had a 22% lower risk of mortality than those who rarely ate garlic. Eighth, improve athletic performance. Garlic supplements may improve your athletic performance by increasing endurance, reducing fatigue, and enhancing blood flow. Ancient civilizations used garlic to boost the performance of their athletes and soldiers. A study in cyclists showed that garlic supplementation increased peak power output by 12% compared to a placebo group. Ninth, body detox. Eating garlic may help detoxify heavy metals in the body, such as lead, mercury, cadmium, and arsenic. These metals can accumulate in the organs and tissues over time and cause various health problems, such as kidney damage, neurological disorders, and cancer. A study in workers exposed to lead found that garlic supplementation reduced blood lead levels by 19% within 4 weeks. 10th, bone health. Garlic may improve bone health by stimulating the production of osteoblasts, bone-forming cells, and inhibiting the activity of osteoclasts, bone-resorbing cells. It may also increase estrogen levels in women, which can prevent bone loss after menopause. A study in postmenopausal women showed that taking a daily dose of dried garlic powder for 2 years increased bone mineral density by 4%. 11th, easy to include. Garlic is easy to include in your diet and adds flavor to many dishes. You can eat it raw or cooked, whole or chopped, fresh or dried, or as a supplement or extract. However, you may wonder how much garlic is too much. While garlic is generally safe and beneficial for most people, some people may experience side effects or allergic reactions from eating too much garlic or taking high doses of garlic supplements. Some common side effects of eating too much garlic include: first, bad breath and body odor. Second, heartburn, indigestion, nausea, vomiting. Third, gas, bloating. Fourth, diarrhea. Fifth, skin irritation or rash. Sixth, bleeding problems or increased risk of bleeding. Seventh, low blood pressure or hypertension. Eighth, headache. Ninth, dizziness. 10th, asthma or wheezing. Some people may also have an allergic reaction to garlic, which can cause symptoms such as: first, hives, itching, swelling. Second, sneezing, runny nose, congestion. Third, coughing, difficulty breathing. Fourth, anaphylaxis, a severe and potentially life-threatening allergic reaction. If you experience any of these symptoms after eating garlic or taking garlic supplements, you should stop consuming garlic and seek medical attention immediately. The amount of garlic that can cause these side effects or allergic reactions may vary from person to person, depending on their individual sensitivity, health condition, medication use, and other factors. Therefore, it is advisable to start with small amounts of garlic and gradually increase your intake as tolerated. There is no clear consensus on the optimal dose of garlic for health benefits, but some studies have used doses ranging from 600 milligrams to 1.2 g of garlic extract per day, or 2 to 5 g of fresh garlic per day. These doses are equivalent to about 1 to 2 cloves of garlic per day. However, you should consult your doctor before taking garlic supplements or increasing your garlic intake, especially if you have any medical conditions, such as bleeding disorders, low blood pressure, diabetes, stomach ulcers, or liver or kidney problems. You should also inform your doctor if you are taking any medications, such as blood thinners, anticoagulants, antiplatelets, antihypertensives, anti-diabetics, or antibiotics, as garlic may interact with them and affect their effectiveness or safety. Now that you know the health benefits and side effects of garlic, you may want to try some delicious garlic recipes that are easy to make at home. Here are some examples. First, garlic bread. Slice a loaf of bread and spread butter or olive oil on each slice. Sprinkle some minced garlic or garlic powder on top and bake in the oven until golden and crisp. Second, garlic soup. Saute some chopped onion and garlic in a pot until soft. Add some chicken or vegetable broth and bring to a boil. Season with salt, pepper, thyme, bay leaf, and lemon juice. Third, garlic chicken. Cut some chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces and season with salt, pepper, paprika, and oregano. Heat some oil in a skillet and cook the chicken until browned. Add some minced garlic, white wine, and chicken broth and simmer until the sauce is reduced. Fourth, garlic shrimp. Peel and devein some shrimp and season with salt, pepper, and cayenne. Heat some butter and oil in a large skillet and cook the shrimp for a few minutes, turning once. Add some minced garlic, lemon juice, parsley, and red pepper flakes and toss to coat. Fifth, garlic pasta. Cook some pasta of your choice according to the package directions. Drain and return to the pot. Add some butter, olive oil, minced garlic, Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, and basil and toss to combine. Thank you for watching this video on 11 proven health benefits of garlic.